if you still do not have a video posted on your channel, then I'm talking to you. You clicked on the right video because this is for you. I'm gonna help you get over that hurdle today. You have probably been thinking about starting a channel for days, weeks, months, years. You've probably binge watched those videos like how YouTube changed my life and went down the rabbit hole of watching Rob the Maritimer and Diane Moore and Alexa, Ali Abdal, Sean Cannell from Think Media. And yet, here you are still with an empty channel, no videos uploaded because you just keep procrastinating and overthinking and overcomplicating the whole entire process. Well, guess what, people? That ends today. I'm gonna give you just like super simple steps to follow to just get your first video recorded and done and out there so that you can check it off your list. You can officially say that you now have uploaded your very first YouTube video. You can feel very proud of yourself, and then you can go on to make the next one and actually start doing this thing, okay? Because the only way you will have a YouTube channel is by actually making videos and posting them. And I know that sounds absolutely ridiculous, but I had to say that to myself when I was back in your shoes. When I wanted to have a YouTube channel, I wanted to be a YouTuber. I was like, okay, you know, it kind of took me back to first grade where you learn that when you add ER at the end of a word, like YouTuber, ER means one who does, fill in the blank. Well, a YouTuber is one who makes YouTube videos. So if you want to be a YouTuber and you want to have a channel, you have to start making videos, okay? So enough of the procrastination. You don't need to overthink anymore. I'm gonna show you how you can do this without even editing, okay? So just eliminate that off of your plate. Like, enough is enough, okay? Because whatever mental dialogue is going on in your head, what are people gonna think of me? My parents are gonna think I'm crazy. My friends are gonna think I'm stupid. Nobody's gonna watch this anyways. If nobody's gonna watch your video, why would you even care then? Just get it done. I'm worried about my background. What about my audio? What about my lighting? What should my first topic be? I wanna talk about this part of my life, but then I could also talk about this because I do have a lot of life experience and I have a lot of different interests and passions. And so like, what should my channel be about? Okay, like, enough. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Brooke. I've been making videos on YouTube for a couple years now. I talk about being a single mom, being an entrepreneur, my YouTube journey, my healing journey after abuse, online business, social media marketing. If you like those topics, then hit subscribe. Now, before we get started with the steps, I want to show you a success story that is going to inspire you, just in case you need a little extra nudge. Prepare for something amazing. If you get that reference, write it in the comments below. Look at this awesome comment from Sheree Burlington, who is a subscriber of my channel. She says, yours was the first video I watched that convinced me to turn on a camera and record myself telling my story, leaving a legacy, sharing my wisdom. I posted my first video on New Year's Day and I'm having so much fun. My channel is doing better than I ever imagined. Thank you again. Sheree Burlington, I want to thank you right now. Thank you for letting me know that I inspired you to start your channel, because look at this. You guys, like, she has 6.32 thousand subscribers already. Then look at her comments section. People are writing like full-blown paragraphs in the comments. That's when you know your content resonates with people. Sheree, you are crushing it. This is amazing. That is the power of YouTube. That is the whole entire point. If I would have held back from overthinking and procrastination and a bunch of excuses to not post the videos that I posted that helped Sheree post her first video, she might not have ever gotten started. And look at what she's doing. Like, she wants to leave a legacy. Think of the ripple effect. Look at what she's doing. She's doing something amazing. Whatever you have that you want to share with the world, the people who need to hear it will find it. And you will change their life and have an impact in much bigger ways than you can even imagine. I'm so grateful that Sheree sent me that comment to let me know that I'm the one who inspired her to actually start her channel, because it's like, that is so rewarding. Every single person on this planet has value to give to others. Every single person already has their YouTube audience out there. Like, your audience already exists. They'll never be able to find you if you don't show up, okay? So, all right, that's enough of the lecture. Let's get into the steps. Let's go make your first YouTube video. Okay, step one is to make a decision. If you're here watching this, I know for sure that you have a bunch of ideas about what you want your first video to be about, and you have already wasted enough time overthinking it. So enough is enough. We're going to decide right now. We're going to use the Mel Robbins 5-second rule here. If you don't know what her 5-second rule is, it's counting backwards from 5 and then you just like go. I'm going to count backwards from 5. When I'm done, the first video idea that comes to your mind, that's going to be your decision. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whatever just came to your mind, that's your video. Now I can already imagine what just happened in your brain. One of two things. Either you were like, yes, I got the video idea I wanted to make. Or you were like, oh, shoot, I actually kind of wanted to make the other one. Okay? So if you got the one you secretly wanted in your mind, go with that. Congratulations, you won. And if you were like, oh, darn, I wanted the other idea, then now you know the first one that you want to make. So then go make that video. Okay. And then option number 3 is you still were like, I don't know. I don't know. And you kind of like freaked out a little bit when I counted backwards from 5. Okay. Here's what you're going to do. You don't get to wonder anymore. I'm just going to tell you what to say. That way you don't have to think about it. Okay. All you have to say is, hi, my name is fill in the blank. This is my first YouTube video and I'm just going to post it so I learn how to do this. Done. Decide is done. Congratulations. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is you are going to record. Ready? I'm going to show you how simple this can be. Remember, we are not doing editing here. We are just using your phone, okay? Got my phone right here. Take your phone, press the camera button, go to video. Flip the camera around so you're recording yourself. Now we're going to do the 5-second rule again. Watch this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the record button. Hi, my name is Brooke and I am making my first YouTube video. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I've been procrastinating. And then I saw this girl, Brooke Sears, tell me that I can just do this without even editing. So I decided to accept her challenge. And this is my first video. So I'm really scared to post this, but I'm going to do it anyways because I just need to get it done and stop overthinking. Okay, peace out. See you later. Bye. Then I just hit stop. That's it. All right. Now you're ready for step 3, upload. Quick pop in. It's the next day and I'm editing this video right now. I heard your brain start firing away more excuses at me. Like, wait, I can't just go to upload it because, I mean, what if I make a mistake? What if I have awkward pauses? What if I trip over my words? What if I like don't know what I'm saying? What if I don't make any sense? It's like, who cares? Like literally who cares? We are not going for a Hollywood production here. We're going for your very first YouTube video, okay? So like, leave in the awkward silences, leave in the mistakes. Literally, nobody cares. Nobody cares but you. This is about you just going through the actions to just make a video from start to finish and like actually get it out there in the world. Because once you get over that hurdle, then it's like you're gonna free yourself to just go and make videos and each one will get better and better and better. Think of it this way. It's like, when a baby is learning how to walk, like they don't go, oh, what if I wobble? What if I fall down? Nobody watch me. Should I edit that out? Babies just go for it. They're learning how to walk. They're just like, I'm wobbling. I'm getting the hang of it. As ridiculous as it would be for a baby who's learning to walk to think that they are going to be an Olympic sprinter on day 1 is like you as a new YouTuber without any videos on your channel, worrying about all this stuff. You are going to make mistakes. Your first video is going to make you cringe in a year from now. When I go back and watch my videos from when I first started, I cringe. Every single YouTuber does, okay? Because your first video is gonna suck. So just know that. Be okay with it. Be okay being like a baby who's wobbling when they learn how to walk. Like, aren't the excuses starting to annoy you? They're starting to annoy me. So like, come on guys, let's just move past this, okay? All you need is your phone for this, okay? So if you don't have the YouTube Studio app already on your phone, go and download YouTube Studio and then come back for this step. If you have it, great. Open YouTube Studio, hit the plus symbol, select the video you just recorded, It will pop up like this. It's me again, editing. You don't even have to make a custom thumbnail. YouTube will auto-generate a thumbnail. Just go with the one that YouTube gives you. Don't even worry about it. Add a title. Don't overthink this. You can always change it later. So I'm just gonna put an example here. I'm afraid to post this, but here goes. Now tap add description. Don't overthink this either. You can even just leave it blank if you don't know what to write. So I'm just writing my first YouTube video. Okay, now click on visibility. Then you're gonna select public. Don't chicken out now, people. Now you can either publish it or go to schedule if you wanna schedule it for a future date. So I'll just show you a quick example here. Choose the date, choose the time, click OK, and done. Okay, then you hit that big button at the bottom, upload. Okay, so it is literally that simple. So now I'm gonna give you a challenge. Give yourself a 30-minute deadline. Set a timer on your microwave, one of those old school kitchen timers, whatever you need to do. Go set a timer for yourself and give yourself a 30-minute deadline and say, okay, in the next 30 minutes, I'm gonna do exactly what she said. Oh, I'm gonna decide, well, guess what? You already did that, right? We already talked about that earlier. You already know what video you're gonna make, okay? All you have to do is turn your phone on, hit that record button, okay? And then upload it. Just do that within the next 30 minutes, and then you will have a video on your YouTube channel. There you go. And get you a gold star. You're gonna feel so proud of yourself. And then after that, if you wanna continue to do YouTube, go and make your second video. Then after your second, make your third. After your third, make your fourth. It happens one video at a time, okay? That's it. If you want tips on how to be consistent on YouTube, I also made a video about that because I have consistently posted a video on average once a week for about the past 2 years. And I'm committed to doing this for a minimum of 10 years. That's the challenge I gave myself, okay? So if you wanna join me in the challenge, tell me in the comments below. And if not, I mean, well, whatever, you do you. You got your own life to live. So, all right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Okay, press the camera button. Hard to do on trying to record myself doing this. Okay, hit the record button.